Are you having problems studying and preparing for your JAMB, WAEC, and NECO exams? Do you need friendly and comprehensive online tuitions? Well, look no further. We here at ilim Tutor have the best experienced teachers, pre-recorded lessons, practice exams, and more. Our ilim Tutor app is available on Android and will soon be launched on iOS. Our app has an interactive layout with multiple options and a vast amount of knowledge. It's not just an app, but the best online platform to help students succeed and grasp concepts effectively. It's easy to use and user-friendly. Here you can get test preparation for mainly science subjects. We have an ample amount of content explaining subjects like maths, physics, chemistry, biology, and English language for the JAMB and WAEC exams. We also have practice exams and test materials available on our app where you can practice, learn, and assess your knowledge of the subject. We also have well-reputed teachers who specialize in their subject. They will guide you throughout your preparations. As for the recorded lectures that are available on the platform, they are the most comprehensive and inclusive videos which will help you grasp the concepts. This platform will guarantee you success in your JAMB as it's trusted by many with loads of downloads just within a couple of days. We have tailored video lessons and audio lessons as well, and an intuitive interface. ilim Tutor app has compelling video content, comprehensive notes, and realistic exam questions. We do also offer a trial subscription for you to test the app beforehand. So, what are you waiting for? Download the ilim Tutor app now. For more information, visit www.ilimtutor.com. ilim Tutor, you'll be the best with ilim Tutor.